Okay, welcome back again to this channel. And in this short video here, we'll be talking about this headlight here on a Chevy Express cargo van. And we'll be talking about a mistake that most people make, or a mistake that's very easy to make when changing this headlight here on a Chevy Express cargo van. This Chevy Express cargo van comes with, if you look closely, you'll see down here, you'll see two screws right there in the bottom. Like one is, well, there's a screw here and there's another screw here, two at the bottom. Then there's another one here on the top and another one here. Those four screws are the same. They're all similar. They're all normal screws, like star. All you need is a star screwdriver to remove those two screws. Then you'll see some other two different screws. One is here on the side. You can see right there, here. It's right here. And then there's another one right here on the top, right here. You see that screw right there? So these two are the same. And these two at the bottom and these two here on the top are the same. So when you're changing this headlight here, this Chevy Express cargo van headlight, I mean, it can also be common in other, like a GMC Savannah, Safari vans. But the most important things to remember when you're changing this headlight here, you don't need to touch this screw here, the one in the center here, and this screw on the side. You'll notice there's no screw on this side, because basically this part here, this part here is meant to just hold without a screw. You see an extended piece of metal there. It's just meant to hold the whole light from coming off. So the only screw that we need to focus on is this screw and the one on the top here in the center. Those two screws are adjusting screws. They adjust the headlight, like in case if it's facing too high or too low. Those two screws are just for adjusting. So when you're changing the headlight, if you don't have any problem with your headlight facing up or down, don't touch this screw here and don't touch this screw here. All you need to do is remove this screw here and the other screw here, and this screw here in the bottom here, and this screw here in the bottom. 4 screws, and the headlight will pop off. See, these 4 screws, this one here and these two, they hold this metal ring here, and this metal ring here holds the light in. So the light has to go inside this metal ring here, and that's why they have these 4 screws here. So don't touch this screw here and this screw here, because those are adjusting screws. And if you mess with these 2 screws, you can have a big problem trying to adjust your headlight again. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you for example, if you burn this headlight and you need to replace it, just go buy the same headlight and just remove this screw, this screw, this screw. That's it. And this headlight will pop off. The whole thing will come off. This ring here will come off, because these screws are attached to this outside ring here, and the headlight will come off. Just remove this headlight, put it in a new one inside the ring, and just put the 4 screws back in. It's a very quick job. But if you touch this screw here, there are 2 adjusting screws, it will be a very it will be a very long job trying to balance that light again the correct way. So this is a very short video, direct to the message. I I hope you get it. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. And let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. And have a good day. Bye.